Hi everyone. Now we'll discuss the topic about cams. Now, a cam is a mechanical member or machine element which is used for transmitting a desired motion to a follower by means of direct contact. Now, see here in this diagram, so this is cam and this is camshaft. Now, this is follower and these are frames, so which provides the desired motion, so that when this cam rotates, so this follower will move up and down. So these cams are widely used for operating inlet and exhaust valves of IC engine, mainly in IC engine, and also in paper cutting machines, textile machines, etc. So already I uploaded the videos in your WhatsApp group. Now I'm explaining again. Now, so classification of cams. Now these cams are classified uh, according to types of follower motion, according to shape, and also according to based on constraint. Now, according to the type of follower motion, you can classify the cams as DRD cam, DRRD cam, and RRR cam. That means DRD cam means dwell, rise, dwell. Here, dwell, rise, dwell mean, so when this cam rotates, it undergoes a different type of motion. That means follower will move up for some angle of rotation, then it will stop, then again it will fall down, mean return, and then again stop for some time. Here dwell, rise, dwell mean, so this will not be lifted up or down, that is called dwell, that is remain constant. Then rise mean, when this rotates like this will move upward, that is rise, and remain constant for some period of time, that is dwell. So dwell, rise, dwell. So second one, DRRD mean dwell, rise, return, and dwell. So first it will not move up and down, then it will lifted for some angle of rotation, then it will return, and it will not move for next angle of rotation. So that, so dwell, rise, return, dwell. And third one, RRR can mean rise, return, and rise mean, so when it, then this cam rotates, this will be lifted up, then again when it rotates for further motion, then it will return back, that is fall, then again it will be lifted up, so that continues. So these are the types based on type of follower motion, that is DRD, DRRD, and RRR cam. Next, according to shape, you can classify it into two types, that is radial cam or disc cam. Actually this is radial or disc cam, and second one cylindrical cam. So same disc shape, so you can say radial or disc cam, so that the axis of shaft and axis of follower is perpendicular to each other. Next, cylindrical cam in this one. Here the when this cylinder or this cam rotates, this follower will move when reciprocate in this direction as shown in the figure, so that the axis of cam and axis of follower are parallel to each other. It may oscillate or reciprocate depending on the condition. Next, third one, based on constraint. So based on constraint mean, so there are two types, spring loaded cams and positive constraint cams. That mean spring loaded mean when the follower is held by an external force, that is spring loaded. Actually this type is spring loaded type here. And positive constraint mean there is no external force is required for motion, that is this type is positive constraint.